Hi, I'm Will, a pharmacist at the Upstate New York Poison Center. And that means I'm an expert on how medicines work. Can I ask you a question? Do you know how to safely dispose of unwanted or expired medications? That's what we're here to talk about today. Safe medication disposal. And by the end of this video, you will be an expert too. While I realize you are not responsible for disposal of any medication in your home, you can be the keeper of information for your friends and family. So once you know, you can share that knowledge. Before we talk about safe disposal of medicines, I do want to talk about safe storage. It's very important to store medications in the container which they came in. That way you can read all of the directions and warnings on the label. It is also important to store medications up and away, out of the reach of children. Children are curious, and they will get into anything. Safe storage is just as important as safe disposal. But today we're here to talk about safe disposal. So let's get started. As most of you know, there are two types of medications. One is an over-the-counter or OTC medication that can be purchased without a prescription. Prescription medications are medications that can be purchased only if prescribed to you by a healthcare professional. These are based on your weight, age, and any medical conditions that you may have and should not be shared with anyone else. Many prescriptions can be dangerous or even deadly if taken by the wrong person or in the wrong way. For example, if a child gets into grandma's heart medication, or if someone takes a prescription that is not prescribed to them by accident or on purpose. Whether it is an OTC or a prescription medication, it is very important that you and your family know how to dispose of it in a safe way. The very best way is to take it back. Take back means you take unwanted, expired, or leftover medications to a safe location in your community for disposal. Maybe you or someone in your family knows where this is. Medicine drop boxes are often located at police departments or pharmacies for families to safely dispose of expired or unwanted medications. If not, you or your family can contact the local police department, pharmacy, or health department for some more information on these drop boxes. In spring and fall each year, the DEA holds a Drug Take-Back Day. That's the Drug Enforcement Administration of the federal government. If you Google Drug Take-Back Day, you will find the date and locations of the next event. The website will list locations near your home after you enter your zip code. After medications are collected from the drop boxes or take-back day, they are disposed of by the police in a safe way. Take-back is the best way to dispose of unwanted or expired medications. The second best way to dispose of medicine, mix and toss. Mix and toss means to first take the medicines and place them in a Ziploc bag. Second, add kitty litter or coffee grounds to the bag. Third, add water until the pills break up. Then, zip the bag tightly and place it in with the household garbage. Mix and toss. It's as simple as that. The third way to get rid of medications is not the best way, but is okay sometimes. Some medications, like prescription pain medications, can be dangerous if someone gets into them, whether accidentally or on purpose. Someone who wants to abuse drugs may take this type of medication even if it is not prescribed to them. The best way to dispose of any medications is to take them back to police departments or pharmacies, as we talked about earlier. But if this isn't possible, and an adult decides that the risk is too high because someone might take the medication by accident or on purpose, the answer might be flush. Flushing dangerous medications down the toilet, they are out of your home immediately. While this may not be the first best, or even the second best way, because they can harm the environment, it is a possibility for dangerous medications like prescription pain medications. The Federal Drug Administration's website contains a complete list of medications that are dangerous and may be flushed. Now I want to make this very clear. As a young adult, you are not responsible for getting rid of any medications. That's just the way it is. Someday you will be. But now you know, and you can share this knowledge. It's as simple as that. So let's review the best ways to get rid of medications in your home. Take it back, mix and toss, or flush. Safe disposal. It's as simple as that.